Kicking it with my divas. These are my divas. This is Johnny.
Hey.
She has a page. It's called Neek Neek's World. This is Kayla. She has a page. I think it's called what? Stanky Fishy. Yes, that's what she said. Stanky Fishy. Check out her pages. Check out. Hey. So today is my first video, our first video together. We'll have more. We'll have mukbangs. We'll have reviews of different things. We'll have just family fun. All of that fun stuff. Today we'll be trying this SnackCrate. Yes. Let's see where it's from. Oh, Lord. Everything falling out. It is from South Africa. Hey. All right. First thing we are going to try is Lay's potato chips, Caribbean onion and balsamic vinegar flavor. Yes. I don't know neither. Balsamic is good, and we like onions, so smells kind of.
That wasn't like nothing you just said.
I like that. So I got to go to South Africa just to get that. I can't get it right here.
It tastes like sour cream and onion mixed with salt and vinegar.
That's good. I like that. Hold on, let me get one more.
It's good.
This is good.
It's good.
Caribbean onion and balsamic vinegar. I like those. I'm good. Oh, you good? These are called Willard Splings Original Flavor Maize Snack.
Maize snack.
I don't know. Good to know. It's baked, not fried. Bags full of smiles. Let's see. You're right. It's like a cheese puff.
Yeah.
It's like a cheese puff.
That was good.
It's just like a cheese puff, but not cheesy.
It tastes like a white cheddar cheese puff.
It tastes like fat free. It's like goldfish.
Wait,
It tastes fat free. Let me get one more. Get a good taste. The Lay's on a 1 through 10, I give them 8.
I give them a 7. Give them a 8. Cheese puffs, I like them. Give them a 9.
Yeah. A 9?
Yeah.
I'll give them a 5. They alright.
5.
Cause it ain't cheese, and you know cheese puffs is cheap. Don't give me a cheese puff, make it cheesy. This is Nestle Bar 1 for a 25-hour day. I thought it was 24. That was say for a 25-hour day.
24 hours in a day. Is it different down there in South Africa?
It must be different in South Africa. I don't know.
Yeah, extra hours?
Girl, I don't know. That might be why it took so long to get here. Okay. It is called Bar 1. It's heavy and thick like a sneaker bar. It tastes like a sneaker bar, but the flavors, you got it? But the flavors ain't quite there like a sneaker bar.
It's like a Milky Way. Yeah, it's like a sneaker bar Milky Way.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
With a hint of 3 Musketeers.
Yeah. I don't know about all that, but Yeah, it's solid like a Snickers bar.
Thick.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
It's okay.
I give this a 5.
Yeah. Oh, I give it a 4.78.
Say a 4.
I ain't a 4. I ain't a big chocolate fan, so you like it. You love sweets. You ain't gonna have no teeth. This is made by Cadbury. It's called 5 Star. 5 Star chick. She's a 5 star chick. You heard me? No. It's made with Cadbury milk chocolate plus a caramel crunchy biscuit.
It sounds like a 100
Crunchy
gram.
biscuit. Like a what?
100 gram.
What? I ain't never had that either. Okay. 5 star. Let's see. Hey, my phone not calling me. Might be DoorDash. Yeah, I got some DoorDash, got some peppermint. I ain't trying to go nowhere. I ain't trying to get wrong. It's okay. It's okay. I don't really like that one. I give it a. It made my stomach go blah, blah, blah. So I give it a 2. It did. It was like you know when you eat something. I don't like it. I like it. You like it? You know, Cadbury got that like caramel stuff in there, like being the eggs for Easter.
Wait.
I don't know your face.
Oh,
I don't
no.
know.
I give about a 7.
When you first put it in your mouth, it's okay, but when you
It's a 5.
you get a 5, okay. This one is made by Nestle. Is it Nestle or Nestle? What
Nestle?
Oh, I say Nestle. What you think? I think it's Nestle. Y'all say it's what?
Nestle.
I don't know. Peppermint crisp milk chocolate.
It's probably like a York mint, just with crisp.
Just hard.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all them holes. I hate stuff with a lot of holes. Anybody else got stuff like that? Look. Oh,
Please.
got me itching. Jesus. If it got holes in it,
Bruh. You can turn it off. Ooh,
it's okay. I like the little peppermint flavor.
the green stuff throwing me off.
Eat it. I'm still
It's
itching.
hard.
I'm still itching from the holes. I like it. I give it an 8. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
I don't want to be rude, but this not it.
That's not it.
It's a -1 for me.
Oh!
Sorry. It's nasty. Sorry to South Africa.
I didn't get to the country stuff because I just took a little bite.
Yeah, sorry to South Africa.
That was a no-no.
It's like it's the chocolate.
I'm still itching from the holes.
The chocolate good. The mint is nasty.
The mint said it all. Let's see.
I give it a 3.
Last thing by Nestle. What y'all say?
Nestle.
By Nestle. It's called Text, the lighter side of life. It is text time.
Ain't nobody.
Y'all know that about no text time. It's like a nutter butter. It's like a nutter butter without the nutty. That's a big no-no. That's a 0. Well, hold on. Okay, it's a 2. It's a 2. It's a 2.
I give it a. The chocolate throws me off, but I give it a 5. It's an 8.
It's an 8. You like the 10 was the one for you, the big thick one.
That was nasty.
It was nasty. I thought you said it was a 10.
Oh, yeah.
Take one. Yeah, that's what it's called. Take one. Action. Let me get them chips back. Them chips was good.
I don't like this light.
Everybody hold up what they like. What was their favorites?
These two was definitely my favorite. This one was everybody's least favorite.
Let's put that in the box.
The crisp.
The peppermint crisp. We wasn't liking it in South Africa.
Sorry.
We don't like it. Please.
So they cancel you.
There's some parts of never
We're
played
gonna
it
cut that out. You're not keeping that.
We put nothing.
You're not keeping that.
But this was my favorite. Come for me. It's okay. I like that. Caribbean onion and balsamic vinaigrette flavor. These are so good. I love them.
Mine was the Fling's original favorite main snack and the 5 stars.
What was yours, Caleb?
The text one.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
And the bar dime.
Okay.
The bar 1.
Oh, that's the one you gave them a 10. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Well, y'all, that's all we got in that SnackCrate. Yeah. We got the $7.99 one. I ain't getting that other stuff with no drink. And then I might open it and be shot in my face. Like,
No. Okay, good.
Get the one with the drink.
Yeah. Comment down below if you should get that. Yeah.
Comment below if we should get the one with the
and
drink.
Where should we get? Where country should we go to next? Continent. Yeah.
Who should be next? Let me know because I got to let them know. So they can send it to me. It's been real, y'all. We been kicking it with my divas, kicking it with my divas, kicking it with my divas. Hey. Catch us next time.